Hello students and viewers. Welcome back to my channel AV's Samarpan, a journey of life science. Myself Vikash. In this video, we shall see the osmosis process by an experiment. As we have discussed about the process of transportation through membrane in last video. In this video, we shall see the process of osmosis. Let's come to start. First, osmosis is the transportation of water molecule or solvent from their higher concentration to their lower concentration through the semi-permeable membrane. To show this experiment, I have four resins. As osmosis is divided in two types, the first one is endoosmosis and the second one is exoosmosis. So let's come. I have four resins for this experiment. Keep these resins in a bowl and mix some water. Pour some water in it. In this case, we can see as resins have higher concentration of solute and less concentration of water. As water is present in bowl in higher concentration, so what happens after some times? So leave it for some hour to see the experiment. Leave it. Then after some time, what will happen? Let's come to study what will happen after some time. Now, as water moves from their higher concentration to their lower concentration, water was present in higher concentration in bowl, so it enters in the resins to represent endoosmosis. In this process, it swells as it gets water molecules. Water enters in the resins. You can say it swells. It swells because it absorbs water by the process of endoosmosis. Okay, so in next step we shall see the process of exoosmosis, how we can represent it. For the representation of exoosmosis, first we make a salt solution. Take some salt and 2 to 3 spoon salt and mix water in it to make higher concentrated salt solution. So that mix it properly. Now it is prepared. The resins that have water content or solent resins keep in the salt solution. You can see it, the resins are swollen. Keep it in salt solution for some hours. What will happen after some time? After some time, as it has higher concentration of water inside the resins and less concentration of water outside the cell, that means in bowl. Bowl contains higher concentration of salt. So water moves or comes out from the resins, and what happens? Let's come to see. Observe it. It loses water and it shrinks again. You can see it because of the concentration gradient. It shrinks and it loses water. So this was endoosmosis and exoosmosis process that works on the concentration gradient. I hope you enjoyed and learned something from this video. In upcoming videos, we shall meet with new topics and new experiment. Thanks to watch this video. Keep watching and don't forget to share, subscribe and like my channel. Thank you.